I live half a mile off any roads down these kind of lanes here, and I have to drive in and out on these unmade up roads every day, every time I go anywhere. And I have to say, can you hear any squeaks or rattles in the car? And the only noises I can hear are bits of dirt being thrown up off the road and hitting the inside of the wheel arches. It's very, very quiet in here. The car's very well put together, so very well assembled, I have to say. You know, you haven't got any loose panels rattling. That banging's just the wire here. So you know, I'm pretty impressed with the way this car's been assembled. It's obviously, you know, good quality control in the factory. I'm hoping I've not just got one of the fantastic ones and they're doing this for all of them, but generally the consensus seems to be that it's a well-made car. So that's just a demonstration of the fact that it's not got any rattles or squeaks or any issues like that. Some cars have a slight wind noise from one of the quarter panels. That's just a matter of having the seals refitted, under warranty of course. But no, all in all, I'm very pleased with the car. It's comfortable and quiet, and there's ponies everywhere, as you'd expect in the forest. But look at the way it copes with this. Horrible roads, horrible surface, and no rattles or squeaks, apart from this cable, which is my fault, whatsoever.